Hello, hello. Aha. Okay, it worked. Sweet. Let's ping everyone. Um, on here at Ping Squad. Um, doing a coding stream like the old days. All right, we are live. We're gonna mod Riivolution. I should probably turn on my screen capture so you can actually see something. Uh, there it is. Didn't leak anything too bad. And then I will also have another source. We go transform, hit the screen. Let me make sure the stream isn't private. Okay, good. It's public. Sometimes YouTube just defaults it to private. It's why the heck not? Why would it need to be public? You know, just a regular live stream. That work. Put this underneath. Okay. Should be good, and I will also add my capture card. I have no idea if this will work, but let's just see. Does not show up. Oh boy. Okay, well, I have no idea how to add my capture card to my OBS. Right. I'm gonna Google that real quick. Elgato capture card OBS Linux. Let's see. Do we need to install anything? Okay. Apparently I need a driver or something. All right, I'll set that up. You get to watch me set up a driver. Heck yeah. Always some fun to do that. I'll pop out the tab here so that you can see it. Sweet. This is the Linux experience. Actually, if I look up archwiki Elgato, maybe OBS game capture software. Is there no Linux option, really? How am I supposed to do this? Download. Yeah. Well, that's slightly disappointing. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. HD 60, that's my capture card. It's the way I display my Wii on stream, but I have to be able to switch to it in OBS. HD 60, next. Has no Linux driver support. Really? Really? All right. I guess we're not doing this in Linux. I mean, we are doing it in Linux. I don't have anything else installed. But I guess I can't show you the Wii. That's fun. All right. So, Riivolution is a software that you can run on the Wii that would let you run mods. Basically, like it's what we used to load Super Mario Galaxy mods and stuff back when I was doing that. And turns out that the source code is out, and having access to the source code and a working copy of Riivolution would allow us to basically change anything in it, which is really useful because, for example, Riivolution has anti-piracy, but nowadays it's really hard to find discs for some Wii games. So if you want to mod them, the only way really is to play a backup of it. And Riivolution currently does not allow that, so your only option is emulation. And if we enabled piracy, or not piracy really, just loading ROMs on Riivolution, that would be already a huge step. So the first thing we need to do though is get it booting, because right now it crashes with the following. Let me scroll to it. I have a picture of it, if I can find it. Oh my god. There it is. Okay, open that, put it on, time to leak everything. There. Yes, this. This is the current crash. So iOS, which is actually the Wii operating system, funnily enough, must be reinstalled to continue. It is perfectly safe to do so. Reinstall it now, press A to continue, or press home to exit. And if you press A to continue, it just installs it, but then it fails again. And it didn't really install it because the next time you boot it, it gives you the same error. So we're trying to figure out how to bypass this. Maybe make it think we have the right iOS, or maybe fix the check for the iOS. I'm just going to post the stream link. So how can we do that? Currently, what's failing is this right here. It was going into this branch. So all I did was change this really important check, probably, to just false, to skip this. This is probably a terrible idea, but I couldn't figure out how to get it to not go in there. And there's no way I'm changing my iOS version. Like, Riivolution currently runs fine. Like, the current build of it runs fine. So something in the process of building the executable is causing it to fail in a way that the already built executable doesn't fail. Right in this line here. So instead of actually properly figuring it out, I'm just gonna skip it. Yeah, something works. So this succeeds. It does not error here. I see a message on the console that says might be sneak. So let's look for that. I don't know what sneak is. I don't see might be sneak. Probably disable mem2 protection. Be in there. Might be sneak, might be sneak. Ooh, I've seen this error. Okay, so this is failing. Meaning, let's work in order. So I have might be sneak, nope. Where is that? Keep full screening it. Let's search might be sneak. iOS. Yep, nope. Okay, so this just checks if it is sneak, whatever that means. And it is failing, which should be fine. What else check for sneak? Okay, disable mem2 protection. Okay, that should be fine. I don't think we need to worry about that. So this entire if statement just does not run because it is not sneak. I'm going to rename this to, and this is going to be burn. Hopefully that won't crash too much. No, that should be fine. Okay. Hello, Metallic Pixels. Welcome to the stream chat. How do you do? Did I zoom in, by the way? I don't know what my stream quality is like. Someone posted in theory. Okay, it's unrelated. Is my microphone okay? Is everything doing well? I keep changing my entire setup every time. So sneak is fine. We don't need to worry about that. HB prot was already disabled. Where? Oh, a HB prot. Okay, this. This is a huge if statement. Okay, so this read just does not equal 0. That's fine. You were locked out of your main account. My mic is cool. How did that happen? Yeah, we don't need to worry about that. Do patch mem2 index. Do patch 0 failed. Okay. This is where it's failing. Okay, so literally the first patch is failing. Feel free to make a branch. Well, I don't know if I'm actually going to contribute anything worthwhile. So right now I'm just messing around, and if I figure out what's wrong, You can't get past 2FA. Oh no. Did you like enable phone 2FA and then lose access to your phone? Or what happened? Do patch int I where I need to get used to this IDE up to previous output mark. Sure. That's not where I was before. Go back, go back, go back. No. No. Navigation. Jump to next. Okay, well it's just gone. That's fine, that's fine. Do patch here. Mem2 index. What is that? What is mem2 index? It is 0. So it does 0 patches. Yeah, no kidding, something's wrong. What? You have phone 2FA, but your phone was taken? Oh no. RIP. What file is this? I'm just in hacks.cpp right now. Because that's where I'm getting the error. I've like right now I just basically skipped past one of the errors. Like, yeah, sure, this is fine. The signature doesn't match, but whatever. Or the iOS version doesn't. Trying to figure out what this mem2 index is. It seems to be just 0. So, what? So do patch takes an I value. If I is less than 0, that's false. Or if I is greater than size of patches divided by size of patches 0. What the heck? What? What even is patches? Okay, that size of patches. So just length of size. Okay, this is like weird C code. Why is this a C++ file? It's using like bizarre C semantics. Okay, so this is just getting the length of the patches array. That's fine. So if I is greater than that, it's not. I is checking 0. 0 is not. What? Bad patch. Oh, this is failing. Not that. Why do they have the same error message? Oh no, I guess this one is bad patch. And the one I'm seeing on the console is location is 000. Okay. That's fine. So patch 0. Patch pointer. And old value. Okay, I have no idea what I'm looking at, which may be an issue for me to fix bugs in this code. What's failing? So do patch. This function fails. It's supposed to patch something. I don't know what, because it only takes one argument. That's like, I guess the index of the patch is supposed to do out of patches. So it wants to patch memprot, which is address. Okay, so patch equals memprot. That's fine, which is that ID. And then if this code flow, this code is not great. This is really hard to read. Like, maybe if it were a bit more commented, or if it didn't use like weird stuff like that. I don't know what I'm looking at. Like, what? This is bitwise not and bitwise and. What is this doing? DC, direct current? Okay, so if the patch memory address, read from that memory address, if it equals the old value. Ah. Okay. So, it's reading, this is a pointer. It's reading from that pointer the value of memory, and then it's checking if it's equal to the old value or not. In my case, it's reading 000 instead of 001, which is the expected. There's a Wii U check here. Where's the Wii U check? It expects this value to be 1, but it's actually 0. So I can do the fun thing and just make you know, it now it expects a 0. Yeah, that's fine. This will work great. Let's build it. Let's go. Oh, there's a build error. What did I do? Oh no. Line 648 failed. That. 48. 648. That's not. What? Okay. If ret equals. Oh, sneak. That's fine. And then this should be U or S30. Cool. That's fine. Why are there 2 if statements for sneak? Terrible. Okay. Sure. Let's try building that. Or if it doesn't fail. It didn't fail. Okay, let's FTP it to my Wii, and let's see what happens. So we built boot.elf. Transfer that here. It's gonna ask me. Oh, could not connect. Right. To start FTP. Okay, that should be good. And come on, I believe in you. You can do it. Oh, the Wii has to initialize, right? Okay, overwrite, and it's gonna copy that. And once that reaches that, we can test it. Okay, I really need to fix my capture card. I wonder why it doesn't work. Let's go Riivolution, because I want to show you what's on my Wii. I mean, presumably it's just going to be a bunch of error messages. Do patch 1 failed. Okay, I feel like it's just gonna not. Do patch failed. Let's just remove this. Sure. Great things happening right now. This is totally not gonna break my Wii. TP. It's send your capture card to Elgato. Yeah, I'm really not happy with Elgato. Like, their capture card, it already broke on me once, just randomly, and it fixed itself randomly. It would just like flash red lights, whenever it turned on, and they just were very unhelpful. And now, like, the fact it doesn't work on Linux, how am I supposed to use it? Like, is it just not an option for Linux users? It's not in the system menu. Oh, okay. Well, no, there's just more and more errors. I tried to disable all the sanity checks, but they're sanity checks for a reason. Fetch file failed with FD, that being the error message. Fetch file of what file name? Sure, let's do that. %s. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do much more than this. Because all I'm doing now is just skipping the error messages, which is not great. We're trying to fix buggy code. I was hoping I could do more, but at this point, I feel like I'm not well versed enough in the Wii's architecture to fix this. But something we can do is swap this swap this stream into WeSaber development because somebody actually replied to my issue on GitHub where I was asking about Riivolution Plus not working, and they shared supposedly working code. So we could try that. You can make the returns return 0 at all times. I mean, on the one hand, yes. On the other, the return values exist for a reason. Like, okay, this code is not great, but fetch file. I'm trying to get the ticket of my file of my game. Why is it doing that? What? Title.tmd. Identify as title. Make sure ES has been patched. Has ES been patched? Hello, NTNT. Welcome to the stream. How do you do? We likely need to update the DevKit Pro version we used. So, Riivolution was a tool that you would use on the Wii to load game mods, but it has some limitations, like really heavy anti-piracy. And the problem is the Wii is quite old now, and getting discs for the Wii is very difficult. So for a lot of people, it would be nicer if you could just play off backup on Riivolution, because right now you can only play backups on Dolphin with mods. Since Arial X is vague, we do not know what the DevKit Pro version is. Right, but it'd be better if it just builds with the latest one, because speed and like a usable code base. But I don't think my approach is going to work very well. So, yeah, and the fact I can't show, I could turn this into a trying to get my capture card to work stream. Elgato HD60 Linux driver. You can get it running apparently. Plug it in, go here. Sure. Good luck. Thank you. Game capture HD. Last commit in 2016. That's not gonna work, unfortunately. It's that old. So like, what? There are differences. I really want my capture card to work so that I can actually display what's going on. This? No, because I don't have a 4K 60. That's fun. This is the same one. Drivers failed. Okay. Well. Rip. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to get a new capture card, I think. That's fine. We can try to run it on Dolphin. That could be fun. Oh right, Dolphin is the file manager. Let's get Dolphin emu. Okay, now we can run Dolphin. No, that's the file manager. Dolphin. There we go. No. Not detect. Okay, that's fine. And then let's try to get... That's fun. Yeah, sure. Is this gonna run or is it gonna have the same error? 0 FPS. Okay. Fine. Hello, MC Misters YouTube. Into the stream. I think this might become a WeSaber stream because this is not working. So instead we're gonna mess with libogc and try to get the sabers on screen again. This time with Motion Plus support, at least according to this GitHub stranger. If I go to my issues on GitHub, and then I go to here, I'm getting more FPS. Yeah, I don't know. Why is it lagging so much? Is OBS making it lag? I turn off the browser sources? No. No idea. Okay, yeah, but like, I seem to be unable to get any data from the Motion Plus extension on my Wiimote. So if y'all remember, like a year ago-ish, I was trying to develop a Beat Saber clone on the Wii. I got as far as parsing level data, which was pretty hype actually. I really enjoyed that. But I couldn't read the Wii Motion Plus data from the sabers in order to like swing them around, or from the Wiimote. And I eventually just gave up because I couldn't find a way to do it. But here I reported my issue, and then somebody actually answered 18 days ago. So I'm gonna read through it again. Rip Beat Saber. Maybe not, maybe not. Somebody answered. I'm gonna read through my question again, figure out what the issue was, and we're gonna try to make it work. It's gonna be epic. I seem to be unable. You have to imagine the Suncat from like a year ago. I seem to be unable to get any data from the Motion Plus extension on my Wiimote, or from the integrated Motion Plus on another Wiimote. Unfortunately, my Wii is not usable at the moment. That's false now. I can test on Wii. So I'm running my code on Dolphin, but I doubt it would make much of a difference. It's likely that this is an error on my part, but I have not had much luck finding examples of reading the Motion Plus sensors using WPAD, which is the library that you use to read Wiimotes. The code seems correct to me. Here's my setup. So, pad init, right? We initialize the pads, the controllers, the game pads. We set the data format to have acceleration, because that's Wii Motion Plus. It's literally just an accelerometer. Then we make a loop and we read all channels, right? So all of these, not connected, ready, something, something. And then I'm printing the data, okay. Sorry for the late reply, this seems to be an issue with both my code and with Wii U's. In my code, you're not seeing any calls to set Motion Plus. As soon as I inserted a nunchuck in my Wiimote and moved it around, Motion Plus data seemed to be streaming. Yes! Really? Really? You have to insert a nunchuck? No way. Okay, well, I should try... maybe I can find, if I go to my Windows install. Maybe we can find my thing. That's Linux. This Linux? That's not. What? My other hard drive unplugged, really? Darn. Okay. Well, it might be in here. But I think it might have been in my other drive. Yeah. Okay, well, we can just write it from scratch. The code was pretty bad anyways. You're not 100% sure what's going on, but it seems the first few Wiimote events are without the Motion Plus data, but after a while, it constantly reports it. Could you verify that adding that? Okay, let's do that. Let's set up libogc, figure out how to do that, and rewrite basically Wii Saber from scratch. Why the heck not? First thing to check is there libogc on the OR? No way! Oh, it's installed already. What? Oh, part of the Wii dev. Okay. What now? Is there a get started with libogc thing? Need help with compiling. DevKit Pro examples. Okay, so I think you can see why Aaron doesn't want us to get Revo working. I mean, why? Because at least my motivation is enabling ROMs was a big negative for them. Oh, I have libogc. Okay. How do I use it? How do I set that up? I know like if I go to /etc here libogc dev kit pro. No. Oh, /opt. It was in /opt /dev kit pro /libogc. There it is. Include. Heck yeah. Okay. Wii keyboard. Really? So, how do I actually use this though? Is there an examples folder? Really? Yeah, nice. We template source template.c. Okay. Well, let's copy the entire examples folder. Let's just copy that to /. Okay, cp-r, of course. And then let's cd / examples. Okay, we got the Wii. Let's cp Wii / examples. No. How do I copy everything from inside a directory to outside? It's just cp Wii /**. That worked. Remove Wii. Remove their Wii. Oh my god. What? Oh, because I copied it. Okay, so I should just be able to make? No way. Does it just work? It was so painful back on Windows. Alright. So I should be able to go now to Documents, Examples, Bin. Really? Okay, it might have been a fluke. Let's try a different example. Maybe one that sucks less. Sprites. Hey! Yeah, it's just working out of the box. That's nice. Okay, let's try to see if one of them has like printing. Or maybe, I think Dolphin Emulator has a debugger. Go log. So now if I open like standard in. Hello world. Sweet. Okay, we can just use this and then print stuff there. I can't seem to resize the window. It's a really having an attitude. Okay, well we can do this. I guess we don't actually need to show the log. This really does not want to leave. Okay. So let's go into, I guess, maybe template. Oh, what does template do? Does it print anything? Oh, sweet. Okay, we can just use template. Nice. So we don't care about anything else. Therefore, we can do rm, we can do cp template / WeSaber. Yes. Oh my god. Why do I just die every time I'm on stream? I just forget how to do everything. WeSaber, and then we can do rm-rf / examples. Okay, be able to make this. Oh no. No, I broke it. What did I do this time? Okay, well, let's look at it on a file manager. That's fine. Let's go to /opt /devkitpro. Let's go into examples. Oh, I need this make file, really? What does it Do. Do make. Yeah, so all it does is just make all of them, I guess. Uh, so what is wrong with this make file? Let's see. I've never actually written a make file before, so this is fun. I've only ever done CMake stuff. Hello, Lord Giganticus. How you do? Where is this error from? No rule to make target. I mean, okay, technically I could just grab all of this and then put that in WeSaver, but that'd be a bit awkward. I guess I could do that though. Sure. But we figure out a better solution. I'm just need to read about make files, I guess. Now if I make, okay, it does work. Fine, we just have to wait for all of the makes to happen. But hopefully subsequent makes will be faster. Okay, cool. What if I delete these? Will that just works? Sweet. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's the wrong. What? Okay. Cool. So it made template.doll. I don't know why it has this one as well. But we don't need to worry about that. So if I run this on Dolphin, it prints out hello world. Sweet. Stop that. Let's open this in KDE develop and close project, and then I can open from documents, WeSaver, this. Sweet. So I should have there. Here it is. Use of undeclared identified. What even is this? Okay, name this false. Why is it C? Why is this in C? Ew, no. Did you mean F close? No, I just don't want to use add custom include path, sure. Text system headers. Work. stdlib works. How do I get it to include libogc? I mean, CPP check. Use system as well. Why does it do C? Okay, I guess we're just stuck writing in C, because why the heck would we use a better language? That's fine. That's perfectly fine. Yep. So how do I actually lazy make? There's no clang tidy file. What is going on? No, we have to include wpad. I don't know what I'm doing. Please help. Uh, it doesn't There's no option to add an include path. Make all. Hmm. I guess we just modify it with no proper syntax. That's fine. So hello stream. Hello people. Hello everyone here. We can build that and see if that works. I'm going to set the default ISO and Dolphin to path default ISO, and we can go to documents, saber flip .dol. So if I just click play now. Hello stream. Sweet. Okay. Now, let's figure out how to connect a Wiimote to Dolphin. A real Wii remote. Do I have a Bluetooth thing? Let's see if it works. I'm gonna press the sync button on my Wiimote. Ah, please, there. How do you pair a Wiimote? Close that. This is great. Bluetooth off or something? No Bluetooth adapters found. Okay, that explains that. Do I have a Bluetooth? Ah, that also explains that. I don't have a Bluetooth adapter. Help! What am I supposed to do now? Thought I had a Bluetooth adapter. I'm woefully unprepared for this stream. Okay. That's fine. We don't need a Wiimote to play Saber. Let's just get the code going, and then I can get a Bluetooth adapter for next stream. Put the Wii cover back on. And hopefully it won't be as disastrous as this one. Alright, let's just edit the code. All of the stuff we need. To even read Wii data. So, in here, they have WPAD in it. Loops I can connect the Wiimote. Yep. What? What is this while loop? Okay. That. And then let's go to the code. And do we even have that? We have WPAD in it. Sure. Okay. Do that. We already have WPAD in it. But let's scan for Wiimotes. PC pressed. Okay, so we need to set motion plus to enabled after making sure that we have a Wiimote on. And now I also need to run WPAD set motion plus 1. Okay. WPAD set motion plus. I don't actually know the function signature of this. Oh wait, no, I have this. Okay. And then just have the rest of my code here that actually prints the stuff. Okay, let's do that. So this, pop it into here. Actually, no, we already have the loop. Okay, this, and then that. That's a lot of stuff. This should be good. Yeah, cool. We need to have WebPad data here. Sweet. Okay, we can test this on the next stream. I'm sorry that this stream wasn't very entertaining. I just have no idea what I'm doing. But hopefully I can get more done next stream. Have a great day and see y'all later.